So I'm out back here and I hear this fluttering going on, and it sounds kind of like a bird, but it's not a bird. It's one of these cicadas actually popping out of his shell. Would you look at that? You always see the empty shell sitting around, but very rarely do you see the actual insect popping out of the shell. He's growing, he's changing. That is awesome, man. Look at that, he's so strong he separated the fence. So he must have just latched onto that literally minutes ago, because there was nothing on this fence. And I'm serious, there was absolutely positively nothing on this fence about 5 or 6 minutes ago. And in the course of that 5 or 6 minutes, within the last 3 of it is when I heard the fluttering sound, and obviously that was him trying to get out. I didn't notice him on the fence until I stopped and looked around, and that's when I saw him. He's pretty cool, huh, guys? Like I say, it's not too uncommon to see the actual shell of the animal there, but yeah, to see him hopping out, and he's even coming out upside down. Well, I'm gonna leave him be, and hopefully he makes his way out of there just fine. I think he'll be all right. So what, that's a cicada, I take it, or a locust? He's about ready to go for it. He's gonna make his last burst. Come on, buddy. You can do it. I got faith in you. Took a lot of energy to get that far. So he's on rested time now. He's getting double XP. So, thanks for watching. Don't be shy. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. This isn't really action-packed today, but I guarantee you, if you like, subscribe, and put that bell on there, I'll have better videos on the way. Now, how may you ask? Can I top a live cicada popping out of the shell? Ooh, I don't know. That's going to be pretty tough, but we'll give it a shot, all right? Gusty's Midwest Family Adventures. It never slows down. All right, so we have an interesting thing here today. Unbeknownst to myself, I had a cicada popping out of his shell right behind me. Now, it looks like some type of a process here, because a minute ago, he did not have any type of wings or anything showing. Now that he's about halfway out of there, upside down as you can see, he's got his wings starting to spread, and they are literally green. They're literally green, like vegetation, like plant life. But those little baby wings that he had right there, they were not showing at all, and they weren't even out to the side until about 20 seconds ago. Oh, he's gonna make his final push. That's right, we're almost ready for an inverted hatching flight. Since our last update, he's recently sprouted these cool wings. And he's almost out of there, folks. Just a small little part of his tail is still hanging in there. I got faith, buddy. I know you can do it. Man, he's weird looking, isn't he? So, what are we calling this here? Is this cute? No. It can't be cute, right? That's gotta be, interesting, we'll call it. So we're back live with Samuel Cicada here. He's made a valiant effort to free himself from his old skeleton so far, and he's nearly there. I believe he's just waiting for his wings to come in. Since our last update, Sammy's wings have extended a crazy amount. I mean, I'm talking like 5 centimeters here. Soon Sammy will be ready for flight. We hope to catch the exact moment when he is rebirthed into the Midwest wildlife. So, you be the judge. Will Sammy Cicada make it safely back into the wildlife of Midwest? I think so. I think Sammy's got a good shot, you know. He's healthy. He's got the good color. He's got the right attitude. What do you say, Sammy? How do you feel about today? Is the rebirthing process all that you thought it would be? Yes, buddy. He seems happy, you know. And he's ultra responsive, so that's a good sign. And we're back live with Larry the Locust for his transformation process. And as you can notice, his wings are coming in, baby. Yeah. Oh, Larry's getting ready to fly. How do you feel about taking your maiden voyage on those new wings, Lawrence? Well, you know, I worked pretty hard to get out of here. Wasn't an easy job, you know. Had to hang upside down for about 20-30 minutes. After that, the old wings started coming in and I was able to crawl out of my shell. And now here we sit. Sitting pretty. Well, Larry, we've really enjoyed our time with you here today, and we'd like to give you some well wishes while your wings come in there. Have a good day, Larry. Oh, it is on now. He's over the fence and off of my chain. Baby, tonight I'm a hurricane. Got some new wings. Yeah, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. Old Larry, more affectionately known as Lawrence, has popped out of his shell and... Oh, yeah. Get him going, buddy. Oh, yeah. See, Larry and I have been hanging out here in the backyard for about an hour. And he's expressed to me that he's going to need a little more time for those wings to come in before he can take flight. Yes, Larry's wings are really extending now. From what was invisible to a few centimeters, have now grown to over an inch in length. Yes, I believe Larry's going to be just fine. Like that. That little wing on the right has came in, but his little wing on the left, he's almost reached flying form. Ah, yes. Yes, Larry grows weary of my presence. You can do it, buddy. I got faith. Do you all have faith in Larry? If you have faith in Larry, and you enjoy seeing cool little videos like this, feel free to like, subscribe. Go ahead and hit the notification bell. Why not, huh? Get crazy. Ooh, Larry's getting his color back. Oh yeah, he's looking cool, guys. It is actually really neat to watch. Goes from being tucked inside that little shell, and even his body isn't at his regular length when it comes out, and those wings are not even visible. They're tucked into the side. To think that all of that grows in less than an hour is amazing. Oh yeah, wind's picking up. Lightning Larry's wings are coming in. He's nearly ready to take flight. Go Larry, go Larry. So as you can see, he has two little sets of wings, which was almost noticeable back when they were tiny, but oh, don't let it bend too much, Lawrence. Oh, stay tucked in there, buddy. So from nearly no visible wings and just a little bit of struggling to get out of there, he's went to what looks to be a full-grown bug-eyed locust. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Larry. And we're here live on location with Larry the Hard Luck Locust. See, Larry's been in and out of his shell a few times, so he's done this before. But as you'll notice, he's fresh. Why, not minutes ago, Larry didn't even have any wings spread out, and now they've extended into, I don't know if you'd call that beautiful, but they definitely are cool little wings. Yeah, we're proud of you, Larry. Larry always likes to do the right thing here and put on a good show for the fans. So, if you'd like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, get crazy, put the notification bell on. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the length of Larry's limbs have grown to legendary proportions. He's now getting his colors in. We're going to give him just a moment to dry out here, and I believe Larry is ready for flight. Are you ready, Larry? What do you say? Yes, yes. Oh, he likes the sunlight. Larry enjoys the sunlight. The sunlight assists in Larry's limb extension. Yes, Larry's living the good life here along the Gusty fence. He enjoys coming here. Comes back every year. Getting into position, sir. Getting into position for liftoff, sir. Is the runway clear? Yes, my wings are nearly ready and I'm ready for liftoff. Do I have clearance from the tower? Lightning Larry the Lotus looking for clearance from the tower. Taking his maiden voyage on these new wings.
Yes, Colonel Larry, you are clear for takeoff. You call the ball. Call the ball, Larry. He's got the need. The need for speed. You can do it, Larry. Well, maybe not yet. Those wings look a little wobbly. You better hang out. You better dry out for a minute, bud. Yep, you dry out, Larry. Don't rush it, man. No reason to rush it, big guy. You go on your time. That's right. Lightning Larry the Locust is living up the high life here in the backyard of the Gustavs. He knows where to go to hatch. Oh, your wings are looking beautiful there, Larry. I'm telling you, he's got the workings to be one of the best lightning locust. Well, what is he, folks, here? Is he a cicada? Is he a lotus? Is he a locust? What is a lotus? I'm not sure I know, but I'm pretty sure this is a locust.